1 to 10.
5, 7, 8, 7.5.
10! You say 10! Hello, 大家好，我是住在纽西兰的台湾女生 Leah. Today's video is about Taiwan's instant noodle and Taiwan's food. Let's find out. Go go!
Why? What's wrong with me? Why can't I open this? Oh, there it goes.
Oh, I feel like you're gonna destroy it. Then how can you? Yeah, how can you put it on?
Oh.
You never eat instant noodle.
Yeah, but not like this.
Okay, keep going.
What do you keep it on? Put hot water in.
Yeah.
Because of the steam. Well, but if you just... Yeah. White people away, Leah.
Yeah, on point.
Which one's next?
You should do whatever you think. Okay, don't put this.
What is this?
You will see later.
So you do it after it's cooked?
Yeah. It's really hard to open.
Keep it on.
So you say that people can you get this in New Zealand?
No. So actually the instant noodle itself is cheap, but the shipping fees are probably about like $70.
What? New Zealand dollars?
Yeah, because New Zealand is in the middle of nowhere, so the shipping fees actually is really expensive.
So did you buy these in New Zealand or from
Taiwan, and my friend sent it to me. So this one,
$70 for these noodles?
yeah, 70 or 80. We eat the cookie together.
That's crazy.
So that's why I don't want Scott to eat it. Because he doesn't know of it. Yeah, he doesn't know. Yeah, he doesn't know. And this one, I want you to smell that. Tell me what you think.
It smells like vinegary.
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's wine.
Oh, that's kind of close, isn't it?
No, it's not. Water ready?
Water ready?
Okay. Dig in.
Dig in.
That seems nice.
That's what I said. I said it's nice. It's nothing special.
Nothing special is not a good word.
Can't do anything about it.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Oh my god. Okay. Okay.
I probably won't use that. I just want to record every moment and see which part I like. Why are you like? Because of Charlotte?
Because of you as well, you two are. But you're both really bad for it.
No, I'm not.
You are! You are!
Maybe noodle, maybe noodle.
When I'm at work, she's like, I'm trying not to punch you in the face.
My food. Yeah. I try to let you eat your food in peace. No, it's you can do it with noodles. It's fine. It's good for the video.
It means
Special
I like
effect.
it.
Exactly.
Yeah, and by the way, do you know what is this? It's like a this. What the fuck?
Chili?
No, it's not chili. It's nothing spicy here. It's like
Capsicum? Tomato?
no, like Chinese herb.
Oh, really?
Yeah, should be sweet. Can't really taste it, but should be sweet. And the real one should be sweet. What will you give? 1 to 10.
8.
Oh,
That's pretty good.
you say nothing special, but
But
8.
there's nothing special.
What is that nothing special?
$5 noodles. Like,
Yeah, but that's what I said. It's
Yeah.
nice for $5 noodles if it was here.
Yeah. What do you think? 1 to 10? You can be honest. I won't judge you.
A 7.5.
What do you think?
Probably say an 8.
Oh,
Like a $5
perfect.
noodles.
I would not pay $80 for this, Leah.
Oh, the broth is really nice.
What
It's
is-
nothing to compare with the New Zealand instant noodle. Sorry.
I'd say that too. It's much better than New Zealand instant noodle.
I mean, I'm comparing this to like Maggi,
Yeah, exactly.
so it's like,
Maggi and...
of course it's better. Yeah.
You have to go?
We're gonna walk a dog at 2 o'clock.
Oh, so you have to go now. Okay, ciao.
Have fun.
Okay, this one is Kuai Kuai.
Coconut.
How you
It's a
taste
little bit
that?
sweet.
Yeah, it's sweet.
With chips or well, whatever, you would think it's savory, but it's nice.
1 to 10.
7.
So do you want me to sing the song for you?
乖乖乖乖乖乖乖，棒棒棒，健康快乐乖乖，天天都要乖乖。
你也乖乖，我也乖乖，乖乖的世界，大家一起来，健康快乐乖乖，天天都要乖乖。
That was amazing.
Yeah, 乖乖 is mean kind of like be good. And on the package that you can write something, the information to the person that you want to send it to that person. Like, you are my best friend in Queenstown.
Yes.
You are my favorite person in Queenstown. You are my favorite pineapple in Queenstown.
I think it tastes like fish.
Let me check. Is anything fish here? Why not? No, I told you the 5. So, soy sauce, peanut butter, coconut, pork, onion, nothing fish. Would you like me to sing the song for you?
Yes.
Okay, it's the same song. Because it is all the same song.
But it's
No, exactly the same, just different flavor. So this one is big good as well. That you can see 5 spice.
Yes.
It's only like powder.
I really like 5 spices normally, but
Yeah, but you say it's fishy.
yeah, I don't like this. I don't think they did a good job with the 5 spices.
Say it again.
I don't think they did a good job with the 5 spices.
Okay, so which one you prefer?
The coconut one.
1 to 10 to the 5 spice.
5.
So this one is oyster omelette.
I really like this one.
Because you think this one is like traditional chips, or is anything different?
Well, yeah, it's different. Looks different. But the flavors are better. It's a more clear flavor. I can taste something. With these, I really have to guess what it is.
Can you taste oyster?
I wouldn't say I specifically taste oyster because I don't know what oyster tastes like. So
You have never tried oyster?
I have, well, not in my memory. I really like it. I'll give this one a 10 out of 10.
10!
Yes.
You say 10!
I really like it. I
Oh!
would eat a whole bag of this.
Okay, you can keep it.
Oh.
So usually being in the Western country, like it's supposed to be savory. In Taiwan or other Asian country, actually it's sweet, like our dorayaki.
Okay.
Yeah, inside is azuki bean.
Okay.
Yeah, for us beans normally should be sweet. Oh!
It's really nice.
1 to 10.
10?
10!
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, this one is like traditional. I would say it's more like you can see it from the package. It's like very traditional Taiwanese. What is that in English? It's not ice
Ooh,
cream.
You asked me. No, it's popsicle? Is it
Yeah, popsicle. Yeah,
You asked me.
popsicle. Yeah.
It's too dumb.
But your English is better than mine.
Does it have a lot of sugar? Is it healthy or?
Of course it has sugar, but I think compared with like normal
Because
ice
there's
cream.
nuts in there, or are those the beans?
They
Those
are
are the
all
beans.
beans.
Oh,
They
that
are
tastes
all
like
beans.
nuts.
Wow, you don't know what's nuts. Because it say it tastes like nuts.
It does,
But
yeah.
that is not.
Okay, something can taste like
Look at that! Look at that! I'm so excited.
I like the other one better because that one's more crunchy and this one's not.
So what is this one? Is it sweet?
Yes, but it.
Have you tried our dorayaki before?
Yeah, the pancakes. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is the same red bean. Yeah, probably not for everyone, but actually it's a red bean with milk, and the other one is green bean with milk. Yeah.
I like the green bean better.
Okay, 1 to 10.
7.
I still can't believe you think it's nothing special. It has broth. Oh, this one is my favorite when I was a kid.
Oh really?
Yeah, I like it. It's really nice. Probably because it relates to my childhood memory as well.
Oh.
Everything you had in your childhood when you were a kid, always good. This is a memory. And it's also because you can't find it in New Zealand or maybe at least in Queenstown. Yeah, none of them.
And I wouldn't buy it. Like if I see this in the store because I don't know what it is, you don't buy it.
Oh my god, it's really nice.
I have. What do the numbers mean in the song?